Thank you and welcome to the show this morning. The topic this morning is the Tennessee General Assembly, and we're fortunate to have with us this morning to talk about the Tennessee General Assembly, Representative Mary Pruitt. Representative Mary Pruitt represents the 58th Legislative District in the Tennessee General Assembly, and with Representative Mary Pruitt this morning is Representative Edith Taylor-Langster. And of course, Representative Edith Taylor-Langster represents the 54th Legislative District in the Tennessee General Assembly. And ladies, let me welcome both of you to the show this morning to talk about the Tennessee General Assembly.
Thank you,
Dr. Representative Pruitt, what we'd like to do is to start off with you and to have you and Representative Edith Taylor-Langster to give us some information about your background, your education, and some of the things that were important in your career and eventually leading you to the General Assembly, the districts that the two of you represent in the General Assembly. And we'll start with you, Representative Pruitt, after which then we'll have Representative Edith Taylor-Langster give us the same kind of information.
Well, thank you, Dr. Haney. It's always welcoming to be on a show where I can have the opportunity to talk about the 58th Legislative District, talk about the Tennessee General Assembly, and some of the things and the challenges that happen at the Assembly. My background is in education. I'm a graduate of Tennessee State University with a master's in elementary education and a bachelor's in elementary education. Of course, my early childhood was in Brentwood. I grew up in Brentwood, a rural area. Of course, you know Brentwood now is not like it was a long time ago, but that rural background gave me the opportunity to know and learn many of the things that youngsters don't get to know about today. And it has been rewarding to me to know that I have seen tomatoes grow. I have done certain things. So that kind of level of activity and the opportunity have really given me the kinds of values and things that I need in order to work with the people and do the things I need for the state of Tennessee. I have been in the General Assembly for a little over 12 years. I was elected in 1985. I succeeded the late Representative Charles Pruitt. I was elected by an overwhelming majority of the people of the district, and I want to take this opportunity to thank them for allowing me the opportunity to represent them. And I always call my representation people-connected leadership, because I try to stay close to the people and make sure I fulfill those kinds of obligations that they have bestowed upon me to do what is necessary to make their life easier, to make things better for them, where their children can grow and prosper in the future. Basically, that's about all I can say about me. I'm just a woman of today, a person who has been in the classroom, person who has worked at the state level in government. Let me also say I did serve as a member of the Constitution Convention in 1977, so that gave me an opportunity to elect the Constitution of the state of Tennessee as it was opened up, and we looked at all of the sections of the Constitution, and that was a great opportunity to me. There was a learning situation for me also.
Very good. Representative Edith Taylor-Langster, what about your background and some of the same information?
Good morning to you, Dr. Haney, and I really appreciate the opportunity to come on your program. You have a wide range of viewer audience, and they look forward to this show with the type of people that you bring on. Not always do we get the opportunity to visit as we are today. I'd like to start. I am Edith Taylor-Langster. I was raised in North Nashville, educated right in North Nashville, at the Wharton School, St. Vincent de Paul School, and then on to Pearl High School, and from there Tennessee State University with a degree in sociology. So you can see that most of my life has been spent right in the North Nashville area. I have two sons, Travis, the oldest, who is a graduate of Purdue University and is an engineer now in Virginia, and David, my youngest, is a graduate of Fisk University, and he is a graduate student at the University of Tennessee. I am the daughter of Willa Taylor and